When using Linux, you may have seen a common problem with monitor staying blank after resuming from suspend. This is my monitor, 2K resolution and Gsync compatible. I use CachyOS with KD Plasma and Wayland. Sleep feature gets triggered either automatically or through the menu interface, then press sleep. After that, try to resume and oops, it doesn't turn the screen with desktop back on. This was a known issue for Nvidia in the past, but there are also some reports for AMD cards on Linux as well. I have found a workaround for this that works for me, and it may work for you too. But before I explain how, I wanted to share with you that it looks like Nvidia is now working in direction to resolve issues with restoring desktop sessions, and they just announced this minor patch 59571 that was released officially yesterday. It describes a change with a single item, fixed a bug that could cause OpenGL applications to stop rendering after resuming from suspend when running on Wayland. I'm not sure if this fixes the black screen from resume in general, I hope so, but I'm going to test as soon as we receive the update for CachyOS. On Cachy, I'm using NVK, the Nvidia open source driver. You can see that the last update we received was from April 25th, it is 4 days ago. But the maintainers are already working on integrating the new change. It is actually being built and tested as we speak for repository push already, so should become available soon. What I previously experienced was monitor would stay blank, basically like no detected back after suspend. My first workaround was to just press my monitor's power button off and on, but later I found a conditional workaround. So if the screen off feature triggers before sleep, then the problem appears. But if I move or disable the screen off beyond the sleep timer, then the problem is solved permanently for my case. The downside is that I will no longer get monitor screen off before suspend triggers, but at least the entire PC system can stop with my preferred timer, which is 8 minutes, and after I resume with the key, then the PC screen comes back just fine. That was everything from today's video. I hope it was useful. Like if you enjoyed this type of content, and maybe see you in the next video. Bye.
Make prolific confessions into the master plan.